Anima thinks a number that and subtract 5 upon 2. Subtract 5 upon 2 from it. That the number is thinking. Subtract 5 upon 2 and see multiply. The result is 8 times. And the result now obtained in 3 times of the same number. That start the solution. Now let the number is x, that according to quotient. ATQ is according to quotient. According to quotient is a number in subtract is x minus 5 upon 2. The number will subtract for 5 upon 2 and multiply by the 8. You get obtained your number is 3 times of the given number. This the equation is 8 multiply x minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 3x and solve the simple method, previous class exercise method. First we will open the bracket. 8x minus 5 into 8 upon 2 is equal to 3x. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. That is 8x minus 5 into 4 is equal to 3x. That's right. 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. That 8x x quantity will transfer to right hand side to left hand side is minus 3x, and minus 20 will transfer to left to right is only 20. Positive to negative and negative to positive. That 8x minus 3x is a 5x. 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x is equal to 20, and x is equal to 20 upon 5. That 5 4s are 20. That x is equal to 4. So that the number is, that the answer is x. Okay. A positive number. Positive number is means a positive, not negative number. A positive number is a 5 times of another number. And if 21 is added to the both of the number, then one of the new number become twice of other new number. The first is a positive number is 5 times of another number. It means let another number is x. Okay, that positive number is equal to 5x. Okay, then write the according to quotient. ATQ according to quotient. If 21 add, so suppose that 5x plus 21, okay, and x plus 21, and both side number, if one of the new number, this is the new number, is twice of another number, there is twice of another number. Okay, now solve. 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 42. Then the 5x minus 2x, that's value of transfer to right hand side to left hand side, and 42 and 21 and transfer to left hand side to right hand side minus 21. That is 3x is equal to 21. That x is equal to only 7, because 3 1 is 3, 3 7 is 21. X is it's mean another number. It means another number is 7. the second number, because here find the other numbers. So that first number is x and second your positive number is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. That answer is 7 comma 35. Okay, simple. Now question number 3. Sum of the digit of two-digit number is 9. When interchange the digit, it is the found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. First will be two-digit number. That a two-digit number will start to 10 to 99. This is the two-digit number. Okay. In word, will be write the two-digit number is 10 into 10 plus ones. This is the place of digit. One place is the ones place, it's called the unit digit, and second place is tens, is called as the tens digit. Okay, and interchange, the word is interchange. Interchange means will be 10 into ones, it means unit digit, and the plus 10th. This is the you place interchange the digit. The ones digit is changed into to 10th form, and 10th digit is going to form. It means suppose with example is 31. Is 31 is 3 is a 10th digit and 1 is a unit digit, and interchange the digit is 13. The 1 will come on 10th place and 3 go to unit place. Okay, so this is a basic of two-digit number. Now start the exercise. They ask the sum of two digit. Sum of the digit of two digit is 9. Okay, so let the unit place digit. Okay, let the unit place digit of two digit number is x. Okay, now unit place digit is a two digit number is x, and 10th place digit is 9 minus x. Why? Because sum of two digits. Suppose a digit is 45, that 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 is given that 9. Suppose is a 5 is unit place, that 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. The 5 is a value of x. The 9 minus x is equal to is unit digit. Okay, then two digit number. Okay, so write the two digit number. Two digit number is 10 into tens plus ones. Ones is means unit digit. The number is going 10. Okay, 10th is 9 minus x plus x. 10th place digit is 9 minus x, and 1st place digit is a x. So the number is going that 90 minus 10x plus x is equal to 90 minus 9x is the equation 1. This is the original number. Okay, this is the original number. Of interchange the digit of two digit number. Interchange the digit of two digit number, it's mean it is new number. It is new number is 10 into 1 plus tens. Okay, so that 10 into x, because it's x, and 9 minus x. Okay, 9 minus x. Now solve. 10 into x is equal to 10x. 10 into x is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x is equal to, that is only minus 10x minus x is equal to 9x plus 9. This is the new number. Okay, the original number is 90 minus 9x and new number is a 9x minus 9x minus 9. Okay, next will be condition is given that after this, after the interchange digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than original number is 27. New number is greater than is original number. So that we finish. Now we, according to question, is that new number is original number okay, that after resulting a new number is greater than is original number by 27. Okay, you check what is the new number. New number is a 90 minus 9x. Here is a 9x plus 9. Okay, now solve. 9x plus 9 is equal to 90 minus 90 minus plus 27 minus 9x. Will change the place 27. Okay, now 9x here we transfer to right to left is plus 9x is equal to, add is 7117, here minus 9. This value we will transfer positive to negative, and minus 9x will transfer to right hand side to left hand side is 9x. 18x is equal to 17 minus 9 is 108, that x is equal to 108 upon 18, cancel by the, you can 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 9, 6 are, x is equal to 6. X is a unit digit. X is a unit digit. So original number, what is the original number? Original number is 10 into 10 plus 1s. This is 10. 10 is 90 minus x, 90 minus x and plus x, that 10, 9 minus 6, x value is 6 plus 6 is 10 in 3 plus 6 is equal to 36. It means 36 is a 2-digit number. The 2-digit number is 36. Check करें 36, the change the digit is 63, and 36 plus 27 is 36 is 36. Original number is 36 plus 27 is greater than the new number 63, and 3 is the place of change and 6 already place change. Okay, thank you. Number 4 is similar to question number 3. when something is changed, one of the two digit, and two digit number is that is 3 times of the number. It's mean the in one two digit number is two digit, one is a ones place and second is a tens place. It's mean the relation of ones place and 10 digits 10 place value is 3 times of other digit. If you interchange the result of this two digit number and add the result number to the original number, you get 88. Okay, so now let the unit digit is x. Unit digit, it means x. The tens digit is equal to 3x because they are given the 3 times. Okay, up to the original number. Original number means their two digit number is 10 into tens plus once here unit digit. Okay, so this is 10 into 3x plus x is equal to 30x plus x is equal to 31x. This is the original digit. Now after the interchange, after interchange the digit. Interchange digit means that 10 into ones plus tens. There is 10 into x, 10 into x plus 3x. There is 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. This is the second digit. Okay, now next, then question is two digit number and add the resulting number original number. This the original number is 31 and after the interchange the digit, the number get the 13x is the resulting number is 13x, will add and get to 88. That according to question. Okay, according to question is original number plus new number. You write the new number is equal to 88. Okay, that 31x plus 13x is equal to 88 because 31 is original digit and 13x is after interchange the new digit is 18 is 44x is equal to 88. That x is equal to 88 upon 44. They will cancel the value of x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 and this the x is a unit digit place. You find the original number. That original number is here. Original number is here. This is the original number is 10. After this, okay, after this condition, the original number is 10 into 10 into 3 into 2 plus 2 is 10 into 6 plus 2 is 60 plus 2 is equal to 62. That answer is 62. Okay. Question number 5. Shaboz's mother present age is 6 times. Shaboz's present age, and Shaboz's age 5 years from its mean from means today to after. Okay, then after 5 years, from means today's to after 5 years will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What is the his age? To find the age of both ages Shabo's and Shabo's mother's age. Now first will be that the let the Shabo's present age is X year. Okay, then the question is 6 times of mother's age. That and Shabo's mother's present age is equal to 6x year. How many? 6x year. According to question that Shabo's, according to question, Shabo's age is 5 year now. X plus 5. Now will be 1/3. 1/3 is equal to 1/3 is mother's present age. Mother's present age is a 6x. Solve. 3 2 ja 6. That x plus 5 is equal to 2x. Okay, and this 5 is equal to 2x. Will transfer to left hand side to right hand, minus x. 5 is equal to x, and x is a age of Shabo's. So Shabo's present age is equal to 5 year. Okay, and she's her mother's age is 6x. That the value of x is a 5. So 6 into 5 is equal to 30 year. Okay, write down. And question number 9. That question number 6, 7 and 8 will be next class. Okay, today will be question number 9 and question number 10 will be solved. Okay, now start the question number 9. Question number 9. A grandfather is a 10 times old than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years old than her. Find the age of both age. Okay, so that grandfather is a 10-year old. The granddaughter, who is a small? The granddaughter is a small. So there, let age of the grandfather. Yeah, let present age of granddaughter is x. Okay, now this is the age, you write the age x. Okay, and grandfather, that present age of grandfather is 10 times 10x. Okay, now according to question, he is also 54 year. He is also 50 year old than his. Okay, according to question, is 10x is equal to x plus 54. There x plus 54 means they will the age of the grandfather is already 54 plus age of grandfather is the age of 54 plus old than her. Her is a granddaughter. Okay, now solve. Now 10x minus x is equal to 54. first will be transfer, that 9x is equal to 54, x is equal to 54 upon 9, 9 6 the x is equal to 6 year. With the age of the granddaughter is a 6 year age, and the granddaughter is 6 year. Okay, and grandfather is the who is percentage. Okay, the present age is 10x, 10 into 6 is equal to 60. That answer is 6 year and 60 year of age of grandfather. Okay, now start the question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son is. Aman's age is 3 times of his son is 10 year ago. 10 year ago means this is the back. Okay, before 10 year. Okay, not before 10 year means you have subtract 5, and after 10 year means you have add 5. Okay, so that now he was 5 times his son is. Okay, so that let the present age of Aman's son is x. Okay, and the present age of Aman is 3 times of Aman's age of Aman's son. According to question 5 here, that x minus 5 x minus 5 x minus that 3 times is I go up the 5 times 10. Oh yeah, this 10 year. Okay, 10 year ago is 3x minus 10. This is the age of fathers, the age of Aman, and is equal to that x minus 10, the age of Aman's son is 5 times. Okay, before 10 year is the age of father means that Aman, age of Aman is equal to 5 times of age of his son. They solve 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 50. Okay, there multiply 5x and second multiply 510, that 3x minus 5x will transfer to positive to negative, that minus 50 and plus 10. Okay, then minus 2x is equal to minus 40, that 2x is equal to 40, minus cancel, x is equal to 40 upon 2 is cancel only 20. It means the present age of Aman son is x is equal to 20 year, and present age of Aman is 3x, is 3 into x value is 20. This is the 60 year. It means the age of Aman is 60 year and age of son is present is 20 year. Okay, next day we will solve the question number 6, 7 and 8. Okay, this is the next day. Thank you.